Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the frustrating HPPC error code hexadecimal C000428, you're in the right place. This error often pops up during startup and can leave you staring at a blue screen of death. In this video, we'll break down what it means, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, what exactly is error code hexadecimal C000428? This is a Windows boot error that typically indicates a problem with the boot configuration data on your HPPC. It means your computer can't properly load the operating system, often due to corrupted files or configuration issues. Don't worry, it's common and usually fixable with the right steps. Now, let's talk about the causes. This error can stem from several things, like a recent Windows update that went wrong, corrupted system files from a power outage, malware infections, or even hardware problems such as a failing hard drive. If you've installed new software or hardware lately, that could be the culprit too. Identifying the cause is key to resolving it quickly. Moving on to the solutions. Start with the basics. Restart your PC and see if it boots up normally. If that doesn't work, boot into safe mode by pressing F8 or Shift plus F8 during startup. Once there, run the System File Checker tool by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and typing sfc scan now. This scans and repairs corrupted files. If that fails, try the DISM tool. In Command Prompt, enter DISM, online, cleanup image, restore health, to fix any component store corruption. For more advanced fixes, use the Windows Recovery environment. Insert your Windows installation media, boot from it, and select Repair your computer. From there, go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Repair. This often resolves boot issues. As a last resort, consider resetting your PC while keeping your files intact, but back up important data first. Remember, always be cautious when messing with system files. Double-check commands to avoid further issues. There you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish error code hexadecimal C00000428 for good. If you run into any problems, drop a comment below, and I'll help out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.